In this video, I'll show you how you can easily verify your phone number on Roblox. Now the first step is you want to head over to roblox.com, and you can do this from your phone or from your PC. After that, you want to log into your account, click up here and go to settings, and under account info it should say phone number. What you want to do is you want to press add phone right here, choose your country code, type in your phone number, and then when you press continue, there will be sent a one-time mail to your email if you have your email verified. And on that email, you want to type in the code. And then after that, it's going to send you a code to your phone that you want to type in as well. So keep in mind, if you have your email, when you add the phone number, they will send you a code to your email first. And then after that, they will send one to your phone. So after you verified both of those, you should have phone number here and it should say verified. Now that's basically how it's done, guys. It's really simple and really easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.